Hey all, happy to meet you again in another video. Hope all are doing good. Today's video is a challenge video, no fire cooking challenge. So I am going to manage the entire day without touching my gas stove, oven or electric kettle or toaster. Let's see how my day goes. I always start my day with walking outdoors. I see different kinds of birds. I love the fresh air hitting on my face. When I start my day with doing what I like, I am able to deal the problems in a very better way. The rain drops on the floor with sunrise on the background was the favorite part in my today's walking. Due to COVID, I have started relying on online vendors. When I order fruits on online, there is always excess. I have found a way to store it. Peel them and put it in a freezer safe pouch and store it in the freezer. This tastes good for about 6 months. I have stored even jackfruit also like this. Kids are stuck inside the home and it has become mandatory to have eyes on them, else they may get hurt by trying something new. Avocado, banana and chocolate smoothie for breakfast. I have never thought I would enjoy this dish so much. Trust me, it was like eating banana chocolate ice cream. It has become one of my favorite dish and I have started consuming it once a week. This is one way to consume the frozen fruits. Preparation is very easy. To a smoothie jar, add 1 frozen banana, half avocado, 1 cup almond milk, cocoa powder, jaggery and blend it to smooth paste. Top it up with some fresh fruits, nuts and chia seeds. Creamy smoothie is ready. A food which helps in weight loss. It has high nutritional value and no preservative added, but still you enjoy your food. And the most important thing is it is very easy to prepare. Another option is chia seed pudding. This also tastes very good and a nice way to start your day. And its preparation is very easy. Add 2 cups coconut milk or almond milk, 1/4 cup chia seeds and honey as needed. Mix it well and keep it aside for some time. Then to a glass jar, add fresh fruits. Add the chia seed mixture and keep it in the refrigerated overnight. So the next day when you wake up early in the morning, your food is ready with zero effort put from our side.
Mama, I want to ask you a question. Did you give permission?
Cover it with aluminum foil and then refrigerate it.
The question, what's that mixture made out of?
There we go. Our thick, rich and creamy chia seed pudding is ready. This also is tasting so good. Please give a try. I came across a lot of recipes with poha where we don't need to cook. This is curd rice prepared with poha. Take a cup of poha, wash it well so that all the dust goes off and then drain off all the excess water. Leave it for 10 minutes. After 10 minutes, poha would have absorbed all the water and it would have puffed up like rice. Now add curd, salt, chopped ginger, a little bit of chopped carrot, and then mix it well. There we go. Our delicious, very simple poha curd rice is ready. Curd rice and baby mango pickle, we say Vadumangai Urgai in Tamil, is always a win-win combination. Today there was a lot of hibiscus blooms in the balcony and it was looking really good. Show the cube. Good job, good job.
Okay. So bye bye.
Okay, bye bye. For night dinner, I had poha idli, garlic chutney and coconut chutney. Again, I am playing something with poha only. Grind half cup poha into a coarse powder. Add 1 cup coconut milk, salt and jeera powder. Mix it well and leave it aside for 15 minutes. Poha absorbs all the water content and becomes thick. Place an idli stand, put a small muslin cloth on top of it and fill the poha mixture. The idli mold gives it a idli shape. The muslin cloth absorbs all the extra moisture and gives a nice texture to it. Leave this set up for 10 minutes. In this cap, we shall prepare the coconut and the garlic chutney. Add 6 garlic pods, 6 shallots, a bit of tamarind, salt, chili powder and a little water. Grind it to a fine paste. Add 1 spoon of sesame oil and mix it well. Spicy garlic chutney is ready. Add coconut, roasted gram, 1 green chilli, 1 garlic pod, a little bit of tamarind, salt and grind it to a fine paste. Remove the idlis from the idli mold. It looks and even tastes similar to idli. I have early dinner. I always finish my dinner by 5:30 or 6 p.m. That's why it's sunny outside. If you know any other recipes, do let me know in the comment section. I'm happy to give a try. I had some leftover avocado from the morning, so I decided to do guacamole for the night movie time. Electrical choppers makes our life really very easy. So to a chopper, add onion, tomato, garlic, a little bit of jalapeno and chop it very finely. And then mash avocado with a little bit of salt and pepper to a smooth paste. Now add a little bit of lemon and the finely chopped mixture and then mix it well. Now our guacamole is ready. For the extra flavor, add a little bit of chopped coriander leaves. I personally love to enjoy it with nachos chips.
I just eat it plain.
If you like this content, please do give me a thumbs up and let me know in the comment section so that I will be sure that whatever content I am putting, the viewers are liking it. Thank you for watching this video, and I will meet you with an interesting content in another video. Until then, it's bye bye.